Hello lovely people, welcome back to Owusuaa's kitchen. It is always a pleasure to have you here. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can easily make this delicious vanilla cake ready to bake in under 2 minutes, okay? And the good thing is, the measurements are done with spoon. This is Owusuaa's kitchen. I thank you for stopping by, for watching, for liking, and for subscribing. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so very much. And if you are new here, I hope you would consider to join us by subscribing. So friends, eggs are in the mixing bowl now. This will be followed by sugar. You would find all the measurements in the description box. And I'm going to whisk this until it has loosened up, and this does not take time at all. This will be followed by melted milk. You can also use regular sunflower oil. And again, we're going to whisk it up quickly before we add the milk. If you are using evaporated milk, you can mix this with water half and half, and that will be perfect. Now I'm sifting the flour. This is important but not crucial. If you don't have a sifter, just throw in the flour, but be sure to mix it in well. I have just added some baking powder as well, and again, you can simply throw it in without sifting. And now I'm just mixing it together with a spatula until everything comes together. Then I will follow up with a whisker until it is nice and smooth. And now friends, let's add the vanilla essence. You can add any flavor of your choice. And this is the consistency that we are going for. And I've just oiled my cake tin on the sides, and I'm just going to use a parchment paper at the bottom. Okay, so this will go in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes at gas mark 6 or 190 degrees Celsius, or until it is nice and golden. So this is what we have here friends. The cake is ready and the taste is unbelievable. You just have to make this to see it for yourself. It tastes so good, but with minimum effort. So friends, let's take off the parchment paper at the bottom, flip it over, and let's have a slice. It is moist, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. I hope you do give this a go. It is so easy, your kids will be able to bake this themselves. Just give them all the ingredients and be ready to have a big cleanup afterwards. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give your sis a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for liking, and for subscribing. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care, stay blessed, and keep on shining. Bye bye.